Welcome. In front of me is a Vernee Apollo Lite, and today I'll show you how to access the boot mode on the device. So to get started, hold power key and select power off and wait for the device to shut off. Now once the device powers off, you then want to hold power key and volume up, both of the keys at the same time. So power, volume up, and we should see boot mode right about now. There we go. So from here you will use volume up only to navigate, like so, and volume down will be used to confirm whatever it's selected. And as you can see, you can boot your device into recovery mode from here, fast boot, or just go back to the Android. And that is what I'm gonna select, which is the last option. So once normal boot is selected, press volume down, and that is how you confirm whatever is selected. And you can see that we're back in the Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.